Good morning. Today you have a speaking test.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, now tell me, what is your name?
My name is Tiến Minh.
My name is Phương Nhi. Right. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
I'm 8 years old too. Good. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 3A4.
I'm in class 3A4 too. Now, let's talk about toys, okay?
Okay.
Now I will make an example with Ming. What toys do you have?
I have a ball.
Now you will have 2 minutes to ask and answer each other, and each of you will ask 2 questions.
Okay.
What toys do you have?
I have a robot.
How many teddy bears do you have?
I have 11 teddy bears.
Now it's Phương Nhi's turn to ask Ming.
What toys do you have? I have a train.
How many kites do you have?
I have 15 kites.
Now, let's talk about food. Keep going, Ming asked.
What would you like to eat? I would like a cupcake, please.
Would you like some fish?
Yes, please.
Now it's Phương Nhi's turn, asked Ming.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a donut, please. Would you like some noodles?
No, thank you.
That is the end.
Thank you, teacher.